Black Friday extra special additional discount offer on Duratech pitch roof windows, £30 on white painted, lacquered and ventilated windows. An extra £40 off list on means of escape, white PVC and conservation windows. It's only while stocks last, and it's only between the 27th of November and the 4th of December, which includes Black Friday, fantastic special offer while stocks last, because at JJ Roofing Supplies, if it's on the roof, we stock it. Never installed a Duratech pitch roof window before? Don't worry. Go to our YouTube channel or to our JJ Roofing Supplies website. On every Duratech page, we have worked alongside Duratech to produce some step-by-step video guides to show you just how easy it is to get a perfect install every time with a Duratech pitch roof window.